Hello everyone. Yeah, so I have hair. My grandma cut it. Okay, so anyways, we are going to be trying a TikTok challenge. It is a Roblox trend called exposing my inventory. So let's watch it. You just show all the pets you've ever had. This girl has quite a lot. Not that many legendaries though. She does have a giraffe, which is really good. Okay, so that is her inventory. So it's time for you guys to see mine. So before I show you, I just want to tell you guys I and stuff, and then I traded, and then I gave it to my other account. That music from the TikTok still playing. Hopefully it doesn't copyright it. I don't know if you guys can even hear it. Oh! What? Oh. I never checked that, so. Sorry, guys. Okay. It almost died, and I was like, no. So, as I was saying, I had in this is my sister's account because my account's on the phone, like Roblox anymore. So, right now, I'm trying to make this like my alt account. I'm going. This is so glitchy. So, I am showing you how to make. Well, I'm going to expose my inventory, but first I'm going to show you how to make a penguin look super duper ugly. Get a crib out. Hello. My game's so glitchy. Okay. My game's so glitchy. If you saw in the series, just get a basic, by the way. If you saw in the series, like sometimes when I jumped or Sophie jumped, it was so glitchy. Okay, so we are going to put the penguin in there, and now watch this. Oh wait, it's upside down. Pick that. Right at house. No, it's glitching. We could do it if we tried. Yeah. Oh yeah. You're thirsty, buddy? Well, I wish you were sleeping. Okay, now hit dress up. He looks so funny. I'm gonna put some stuff on it. I'm going to go expose my inventory now. Bye. I looked through my inventory just now. It says I've never ever hatched a legendary, so today I'm going to try to get enough money for a dino egg and a cracked egg. I will buy the cracked egg right now, and then I am trying to get a legendary. I'm to show you guys. I promise you guys, I used to have like a turtle, king bee. I just traded. I've never hatched a legendary. I've hatched a unicorn before, actually. Okay, that's glitchy. It's going to so glitchy. Okay. Ready? So, I think we could do it if we tried. Falling in love with you. Look at all those legendaries that I don't have any legendaries. I've never had ever. So today, I'm going to try to get one. Okay. First, let me look at my inventory and see if I have a cracked egg. I don't want it to be many. This is glitchy. You know what? I'm just gonna, it's not glitching anymore now that I said peace. Okay. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. And then, let's get that 1% comment. I will tell you guys to stop this and tell you guys when I'm at the last one. Peace. He's hungry, so it's time to feed him. I'm gonna give him a blueberry pie. I don't know why I bought all this food. No, I do not accept trade. So the cracked egg wants to take a shower, and then he wants to go to school. Oh my gosh, it wouldn't let me control. I was like, that music is so funny. Really, it's still. I'll tell you guys when I get up to the shower. Okay, I'm sorry. I failed to hit the record button when I was in the shower, and then I realized it once I got to the school. Oh, okay. He's probably not gonna hatch right now, but. No, it's not. He's not. Yeah, he's not. Okay, I'm just trying to feed him, so I'm trying to make him. I'm gonna try to make him hungry because he's gonna be drinking so much water. Then I need the money. I subscribe to you. Subscribe to Caitlin and Ella. Turn your goofy down. Well, let me see that. Okay, well, I'm gonna steal the cracked egg has another need. Bite him off the drinking thing. He decided he was thirsty. Need him a drink, so I'm gonna go ahead. drop him. Who give him some water. A snow cat, really.